Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Display, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display brightness level manually or via automatic brightness. Next we can change screen refresh rate between 60 Hz and 90 Hz. And then we can enable or disable display optimization. Then we can turn on dark mode, schedule it, and read mode. Next we can enable or disable night light, schedule it, and also adjust the filter blue light and reduce white point functions. Next we can change screen effect, manage top area settings, which mean we can hide notch. Then we can enable or disable easy mode, change screen timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never, adjust font size, display size, and in the end you can enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.